Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix the problem when you want to install games on Google Play Store, but you can't seem to find them using ZTE Blade A53 Pro. And to do this, we'll need to open our Google Play Store, and right here, if we try to find something like Call of Duty, it's not here. And to fix this issue, go back, click on your profile picture, open Settings, enter Family, select Parental Controls, and here either disable parental controls entirely or go for Apps and Games. Insert your PIN code, click on OK. Increase PG to 16, make sure to save those settings afterwards and go back to the search. And right here we have a Call of Duty and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.